Samsung x Google is back. What's up guys, and it's time to take a look at the latest news. It seems like the love between Samsung and Google is getting deeper and deeper and deeper. From foldable Pixel to Google Pixel 6, possible camera development and processor development. Plus, how can we forget Samsung ditching Tizen OS after 6 years just for Google? And now it seems like Samsung is developing a processor for Google, and it's not what you think. According to ET News, Samsung is developing a brand new chip for Google's upcoming self-driving car. It's further mentioned that Samsung will be using its latest technology to develop NPU, CPU, and GPU for this self-driving car. This chip development for Google's self-driving car is said to be on the same scale as Tesla's chip development project. This is a huge news because in the future, just like Google, we're going to see self-driving cars from other brands including Apple. It seems like Samsung has secured a golden opportunity for future. If Samsung's about to design chips for Google's self-driving car, then it's also entirely possible that Samsung could design chips for Google's smartphone as well. Now, speaking of Google smartphones, the Pixel 6 is definitely one of the most awaited phone of this year. Android 12 source code continued to spill beans regarding the future Pixel flagship. Previously, the software code revealed that Pixel 6 punch hole camera is moving towards the middle of the screen just like Samsung devices, and the front camera in that hole will be able to shoot videos up to 4K resolution, which is for the first time on a Pixel phone. And now, thanks to Android 12's developer preview 2, we'll be seeing an in-display fingerprint scanner for the first time on a Pixel flagship phone. UDFPS in the source code, which pretty much means under-display fingerprint scanner. I really like the design of last year's Pixel 5, and it seems like this time the design will get even better. Also in the news, it seems like BOE has finally secured a deal with Samsung. According to ET News, the upcoming Galaxy M series that will come out in second half of 2021 could use BOE's OLED display. This is probably the first time we'll be seeing BOE's OLED display on Samsung's smartphone. The Galaxy M series consists of super budget Samsung phones, so Samsung is definitely playing safe, and if all goes well, we might see BOE displays on more Samsung phones. And last but not the least, as we discussed the biggest leak ever in the previous video, a fan edition phone will be coming later down the year, and according to one of the leaksters on Twitter, Samsung will be kicking off Galaxy S21 FE's development in a couple of weeks, so pretty much, it's going to be a S21 FE, not the Galaxy Note 20 or Note 21 FE. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts regarding Google and Samsung's ultimate love and all their collaboration. Pixel 6 getting even more cleaner design thanks to an in-display fingerprint scanner. Also, just to remind you guys, I'm giving away a Amazfit GTR 2e watch, so link for that is mentioned in the description. Don't forget to enter and also subscribe for daily tech videos. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.